What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we start the journey to find a 2020 Supra. I haven't seen one yet. I've heard that there's a couple in Houston at the moment, and I think I have a lead to one at a dealership. So in this video today, I'm going to try to call up a couple dealerships and see if any of them have them in the showroom, then possibly go check it out and give you my honest opinion about what I think about it. I am a fan, but I haven't seen it in person yet, so just take that with a grain of salt. Also, I've seen a lot of videos of people trying to buy them and they're going for like almost 100,000 over sticker. So if I could find a good one around the right price, this will help out a lot of people that are trying to find one to take home for themselves. So I'm gonna call the first guy and see if they have it in the showroom. Fingers crossed. Alright, here we go. We're gonna call the first one. Sterling McCall Toyota. I don't know of what, the main one. Here we go. They hung up on me. That's some hoe stuff. I'm gonna call them right back. It's 11:30. I know they're open. Hello?
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Hey, I was just calling to see if you guys had the Supra in the showroom still.
Yes, sir. We have it back in the showroom now.
Awesome. So I can make the trip up there and check it out?
Yes, sir.
Alright, awesome. I'll head up there now.
Okay. We'll see you here.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Alright, bye. Woo! We got it. Alright, it's in the showroom. We're gonna go check it out. Got like a 45-minute drive ahead of us, but it's gonna be worth it because I've been wanting to see this car since I saw pictures get leaked of it a long time ago. So I hope it doesn't disappoint. So without further ado, let's hop in the FRS and head down and check out the new 2020 Supra, baby. Let's go! And away we go. I think I have found the next mod for this car as well. And let's just say I've never had a fire-breathing dragon before, but I think we're gonna add one to the family. Whoop. Alright boys, we're here. Gonna turn in wherever we can. Hopefully that's not the only one. Yeah, we're gonna do it right here. Alright, the time has come. It is Supra time, baby. If they lied to me, I'm gonna be one pissed off boy. But I called these people yesterday and they seem pretty nice, so we'll see. Alright guys, we made it to Sterling McCall Toyota. We're in like kind of downtown, I guess. I'm not really sure where we are, to be honest, but through these doors should be the 2020 Supra. Yeah, there it is. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. The first 2020 Supra in the USA, to my knowledge. That's an actual customer car. Wow. I'm gonna take a moment to soak this thing in and then give you my opinion. Alright guys, so here it is, the 2020 Toyota Supra. I am very pleased with how this came out. It looks amazing, even though everyone says it looks like a Z4. It really does, but it has its own kind of style that makes it special. I just think it's so cool. Definitely not as cool as the previous one. I know a bunch of people got pretty salty when they saw that this was going to replace their beloved Mark IV Supra, but I think, I said it once, I'll say it again, we saw this car in Geneva, and I think that they made this car with in mind that the tuners and the body kit companies were going to take these and make them their own. And I think this is a perfect platform to do that with. I know Pan Am has already made a kit. I'm sure there's people swapping 2JZs in them already, making drift cars, big wings, all that stuff. So you just got to take that in mind, that this car, I don't think was built to stay looking like this and stay stock forever. So that is my opinion on this car. Now I know a lot of people are also upset because of the fake vents. Right there, that one and that one are all not actual vents. They're just for show. But I would think on the launch edition, like their most souped up version of the Supra, that those vents would actually be real. But I'm sure once again someone's going to make an aftermarket front bumper or aftermarket side panel or side skirt like that and make these actual vents to help the car's performance. But I think the headlights look absolutely sick. The way it comes like to a point, you can look at it like this. It's a very sharp car, and I really like that. So other than the fake vents and the smaller engine that I was hoping for, this car is a 10 out of 10 in my book, but I would still take the C8 over this one. Alright, so we finally found it. It took me about 4 days to get my hands on one of those, which is pretty cool. Once again, I think it's a very cool car, a little bit underwhelming, like engine wise, but looks, I think it's a 10. I think it's a winner, and many mods and body kits and everything to come to those in the future. We'll probably start seeing those out at all the Texas 2K events, and we'll see in the future. Maybe we'll pick one up for the channel after we're done with the FRS build. And yeah, let me know if you like this more or the new C8 Corvette. I know I'm sure a lot of you guys are the Corvette fans, because I am a Corvette fan too. So with that being said, if you did like this video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new and want to see more crazy content like this in the future. I'm thinking we're going to see one of them driving this weekend, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video.